of the project are as follows. First, it can be used as reverse parking sensor for car. Second, it can be used as obstacle detection system. Third, it can be also used as liquid level sensing. Let's understand the working of this project. First, we have to connect the Wi-Fi module to the hotspots. So we'll get the IP address of the hotspot, and in this module, which is ESP8266, it has GPIO 5 pin as trigger pin, while GPIO 4 pin as echo pin. When we'll give GPIO 5 pin a low pulse for around 2 microseconds, the echo pin will remain low, and when we'll give a high pulse for 10 microseconds, the echo pin will be high. Now the ultrasonic sensor will transmit a 8 pulse signal to the object, so the echo pin will remain high, and it will remain high till 8 burst signal gets reflected back. Now the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the object will be calculated with the formula distance is equal to speed upon time. Now the speed of the ultrasonic wave will be around 330 meter per second, while the time will be calculated as the signal required to the signal required to reflect back. Now it will be calculated as 330 meter per second upon 29 microseconds. Now this distance consists of transmission as well as the reception. So we'll divide this distance by 2, and this actual actual distance will be given to the database that is created as garbage level. Now this this garbage level database will have a variable called as level, in which we'll assign a value, and it will be shown on the server dwit.io. Now the components which are used in this project are the ESP8266 module. It is basically a Wi-Fi module which is self-contained SoC integrated TCP/IP protocol stack that can give any microcontroller access to your Wi-Fi network. Second, ultrasonic sensor. As the name indicates, ultrasonic sensor measures distance by using ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic sensors measure the distance to the target by measuring the time between the emission and the reception.
Code description. First two lines are the header files, and next line is STA SSID, which is a hotspot name. Next is SSTPSA is a password name. Then we have created SSID as a pointer and assign a value STA SSID. Then we next create a password as a pointer and give value STA PSK. And next we create a host as a pointer and assign a value dwit.io to it. Then we have defined HTTP on port 80, and we define a trigger pin on module GPIO 5 pin, and define a echo pin on GPIO 4 pin. Now the URL on which we are going to use is dwit/for garbage dash level $LVE is equal to. Then next we set a PC to Wi-Fi module on 9600 baud rate. Then we use a serial print. We have print new line. We will print connecting to SSID. Now SSID is nothing but port name. And next we will come under the while loop. If Wi-Fi status is equals to WL connected, then it print Wi-Fi module connected, and also it print IP address, and also it's print Wi-Fi local IP. Then next is Wi-Fi client. We define a Wi-Fi client as a client, and next we will print connecting to. If the under which we connect pin mode to off module on which LED connected as a output. If the client dot connect is HOTS and HTTP port, then it print connection failed, else is print connected. Then under loop we have defined three variables: long duration, inches and centimeter, and also define LVL, where we are going to store the distance value. On pin trigger we define as output, and and then on digital write pin trigger pin we give low signal for 2 seconds, and next on trigger pin we give